students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 9th standard. Today I will discuss about the structure of the earth. Structure of the earth, you know that the earth has a solid outer shell like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, which are classified as the terrestrial planets. The outer shell is called lithosphere, and it is the thin outermost layer of the rocks, which is made up of the earth, which is made up of rocks. Now we are living on the outer part of the earth, but the layer has an average thickness is about 17 km for the globe as a whole, containing continents, ocean basins, etc. Here mainly we will describe about the interior part of the earth. Interior part of the earth is made up of liquid or semi-liquid material. Now I will discuss about the layers of the earth crust. Important source of that this earth material, whatever is coming outside, that is the magma. Now let's see that inner side how the layers are classified. Now I will discuss about the layers of the earth. The study of the earthquake was revealed that the earth consists of 3 layers, that is from the surface of the earth. These are known as crust, mantle and core. The crust layer is divided into Ciel and Sima. Second layer, after that mantle and the core. We will start from first. You see, everybody please draw the picture, whatever it is there. First layer is from the inside, that is core. Second one is mantle, TLE, remember that. And the third layer is, that is the crust. Here we will see that is one part is Ciel, another part is Sima. This part is Ciel, outer side, and this part is Sima. And above this layer, whatever prevails, that is, this one is the atmosphere. Now the crust. The outermost layer, this outermost layer of the earth is known as lithosphere. The word lithos means rocks and stones, or we can say that the rocks or stones, and it is a Latin word. The crust is a very thin layer having an average thickness of about 60 kilometer. That is we can say that less than 1% of the earth. The crust is subdivided into 2 parts. One is Ciel, another one Sima. This layer is Ciel and another one is Sima. Now start with first is Ciel. See, this part is Ciel. It is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. It is called Ciel. It consists of silica and aluminium. First 2 words, silica is Si and Al. Aluminium means that next aluminium, first 2 words of silica Si and aluminium Al taken, and the name has given Ciel. It is, we can say that is average thickness of Ciel is 25 km from the surface. The continents are composed with this in this Ciel, and the Ciel mainly the lighter rocks, that is silicon and Aluminium, I have told, silica and aluminium, and shale is thick over the continents and very thin over the ocean floor. The average density of shale is 2.7 gram per cc, or we can say per cubic centimeter. Next is coming sima. The layer below the shale, just below the shale, is known as sima. It consists of, same way, silica and magnesium. First two words of silica and magnesium Ma, silica Si and magnesium Ma taken, and the name has given sima. The average thickness of this layer is 35 km. Sima is oceanic crust lying mainly under the oceans and composed of slightly denser and heavier rock materials than shale. The average density of sima varies from 3 to 3.4 gram per cc. Then shale and sima together in the lithosphere, we can say that is the crust. The boundary between the crust and the mantle is called moho or Mohorovičić discontinuity, and the shale being lighter as sima, it is considered floating on the denser sima, forms the basis of Wegener's continental drift theory. What is continental drift theory? We know that the denser material will be below and lighter materials will be above. In this way, they are floating over the denser material, lighter material is floating over continents. So, over the lighter material will be floating above the denser material. So, continents are floating over the ocean. So, this is the crust. Next one, we will discuss about the mantle. So, I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you, everyone.